Swayam Prabha. Digital India. Educated India.
आप में से कितने लोगों को भूलने की बीमारी है? आपका तो पता नहीं, पर हम में से बहुत लोगों को भूलने की बीमारी है। हम क्या लिखते हैं, कहाँ लिखते हैं और उसको खो देते हैं, इसका कोई हिसाब नहीं रहता हमारे पास। हम में से बहुत लोग ऐसे भी होते हैं जो डॉक्टर के पास जाते हैं और अपनी पर्ची खोकर आ जाते हैं, एंड नेक्स्ट टाइम डॉक्टर के पास भी कोई रिकॉर्ड नहीं बचता, बजाय उस एक ब्लूप्रिंट वाले कार्बन कॉपी के जो उसने अपने किसी किताब के अंदर अपने रैक में कहीं पे दफना रखा होता है। This was one of the pain points that motivated us to find a solution to digitize handwriting in the most precise and useful possible way. And that's how we came up with Smart Column. Smart Column is a company based out of Himachal Pradesh, and we are registered as Intelligent Shell Labs Private Limited. I am Dev, and this is my partner Ashray. This is the video of our first prototype that we created an year ago. I like to play the video to show the first ever moment when we created this piece of technology. This is the bare bone structure of this pen that we had back then. This is way before we had our mold created. And these were the very first words that we wrote with this piece of technology. King, because consider ourselves the pioneers of this digitizing technology. There you see. You have the piece of prototype in front of you right now with the mold. You can test this final prototype right now. Whatever you write with this is digitized instantly in form of handwriting. We're also working on an AI technology to convert this text, to convert this handwriting into digital text as well via OCR. The way our technology works is that there is an infrared sensor beneath this pen that is able to capture the dots on this paper and able to precisely locate what you are writing, how you are writing, and with what strokes you are writing. There are further digital buttons on the paper that you can control to like record your voice or maybe change the stroke color of your strokes or thickness of your strokes as well. This is a completely smart pen and paper solution that you can use to digitize your notes, to digitize your academic material, to digitize, let's say, first use case is education, as I said. The teachers can write with it, send the notes instantly to the students via a PDF, SMS, or WhatsApp. The second use case is healthcare, where the doctor writes the patient data, the prescription. It's digitized instantly and converted into a PDF and sent via SMS or WhatsApp to the patient. The patient will be able to access the prescription from any time, anywhere in the world, and the doctor will also have an access to the patient data anytime the same patient comes next time to him as well. तो अब डॉक्टर को अपने बंडल ऑफ बुक्स के अंदर से वो पुराना पेपर ढूंढने की जरूरत नहीं है कि वो प्रिस्क्रिप्शन कहाँ खो गया, कहाँ रखा था, ना ही डॉक्टर पेशेंट को अपना प्रिस्क्रिप्शन संभाल के रखने की जरूरत है. Third one is productivity in corporates. Of course, like you guys are taking notes right now, and ये पेपर आप कहाँ रखोगे ये आपको भी नहीं मालूम. But whatever you are writing right now, if it's converted into digital text instantly and you can access it from a Google Drive or some cloud software, any place, anywhere in the world, you will have access to these notes for the rest of your life. The target market estimation is almost 56,000 crores. That's the total estimated, total attainable market. The serviceable attainable market is 10,000 crores. And the serviceable obtainable market is 88,000 crores based on estimates of 1% of SAM that we are targeting for the first year itself. And this is assuming that we are selling each pen at just 12,000 rupees a piece, which is very much worth the penny, and that what we have found a product market fit price, for product market fit at this price of the product. We envision our product to be in every classroom, to be in every doctor's clinic, to be in every corporate, and for that we require your funds. So are you ready to invest in Smart Column?
What is the pricing?
12,000 rupees is the retail price that we have set for doctors and corporates, and for education it can be decreased to somewhere around 8,500.
In the mobile, do we have to download an application?
Yes, it will work through an application. That application can be operated on both Android and iOS.
And what is the distance maximum?
Same as Bluetooth. You can go as far as 35 feet, which is the range of Bluetooth.
Have you already tested it in the market?
We have tested with more than 200 users in the market already.
And these were paid users.
These were like pilot users who were paying just for the cost of the pen, which is around 2,500 rupees. So they were just paying for the hardware and the SMS subscription cost. That's it. So we did not generate any profit for them, but we used them as pilot users to take their input and improve our application. The application is still an ongoing product. We are not saying that it's a finished product already. The hardware is almost optimized with just almost 1 hour of charge. You can use it for more than 6 days. So the hardware is as optimized as possible. We've included a offline storage system as well, so that when you are offline, when the phone is not connected, आपने जो भी लिखा वो पेन की इंटरनल स्टोरेज के अंदर स्टोर हो चुका है, एंड नेक्स्ट टाइम जब आप फोन को ऑन करते हैं तो वो इंस्टेंटली सिंक हो जाएगा.
Interesting. Any part of the solution which is patented?
We are in the middle of filing a patent right now.
What part of the solution?
We are in the process of filing a patent for digitizing medical prescriptions right now. We have created an entire ecosystem which is totally new, innovative and patentable. We are in talks with a patent lawyer in Delhi itself, and the patent should be filed by the middle of this year.
So, I mean, cost-wise, it's there are similar products available in the market. So, what differentiate you?
The similar products in the market are in the price range of 9 to 10,000 rupees. Are Wacom Bamboo, and what's that? Huawei Note, and there's one. There's other solutions that are in the market right now. They all utilize a pad-based system, meaning you have to carry that pad with you every time you go somewhere. Our solution is entirely based out of just a pen and dotted paper. You do not need to carry an entire pad with you. Secondly, they do not have any smart paper technology, as what we call it. आप इसके अंदर पेपर जो आपको मिला है, इसके अंदर वो डॉट अभी नीचे बटन्स प्रिंटेड नहीं है, बट वी प्रिंट सम बटन्स ऑन द बॉटम ऑफ द पेज, जिसके अंदर आप ऑडियो रिकॉर्ड कर सकते हो यूजिंग दिस पेन, जिस पे क्लिक करके आप अपना कलर चेंज कर सकते हो स्ट्रोक्स का, जिसको क्लिक करके आप अपने स्ट्रोक्स की थिकनेस और विड्थ भी चेंज कर सकते हो, जिसको क्लिक करके आप पेजेस को लेफ्ट राइट भी स्क्रॉल कर सकते हो, जिसको क्लिक करके आप इंस्टेंटली अपलोड करके किसी को व्हाट्सएप पे शेयर भी कर सकते हो जस्ट बाय क्लिकिंग ऑन द पेपर इटसेल्फ. जो अभी अंडर प्रोग्रेस है, ऑलमोस्ट कंप्लीटेड टेक्नोलॉजी है, बट वी डिड नॉट वांट टू ब्रिंग इट आउट हियर बिकॉज इट स्टिल हैज अ बिट ऑफ बग्स. बट ये स्मार्ट पेपर टेक्नोलॉजी, व्हाट वी कॉल इट, इट्स टोटली मिसिंग इन एनी अदर कंपेटिटर, बिकॉज उनका इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेटिक पेन बेस्ड स्ट्रक्चर होता है. दे हैव एन इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेटिक पैड एंड एन इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेटिक पेन, and we just have an IR based pen, that's it.
So, like I have written a notes here. I click a photo of it. So, your pen is doing the same thing or anything beyond that?
Our pen is also supposed to be like, there's one feature that we're integrating it with. That one thing is the OCR, whatever you are writing is instantly being converted into digital text as well. आपने फ़ोन से फ़ोटो खींची, वो डिजिटल टेक्स्ट में कन्वर्ट नहीं होगा. अगर होगा भी तो उसकी एक्यूरेसी उतनी सही नहीं आएगी, बिकॉज द कन्वेंशनल OCR वर्क्स ऑन इमेज प्रोसेसिंग. आपने जो टेक्स्ट लिखा हुआ है वो उसको देखेगा, एनालाइज करेगा कि क्या है, बट हमारे पेन से आप किस शेप में स्ट्रोक ड्रॉ कर रहे हो, दैट इज ऑल्सो अकाउंटेड फॉर इन आवर OCR टेक्नोलॉजी. सो अगर किसी और ने लेट से S लिखा हुआ है, the computer can confuse it for a 5 as well. But when you're writing it with our pen, the pen knows with what intent you are drawing, from where you are starting the stroke, with what thickness you are pressing at what point. So it's 99% accurate in converting your handwriting into text as compared to any conventional OCR out there in the market.
So, next time, if once the paper is full, I will have to use a new paper or same paper can be used multiple times?
पेपर तो सर आपके सामने, उसके ऊपर इंक तो लग गई है, तो नया पेपर लेना पड़ेगा, और वो एक सब्सक्रिप्शन बेस्ड मॉडल की तरह वहाँ से भी हमारा रेवेन्यू जनरेट होता है.
So what the cost of paper?
प्रिंटिंग कॉस्ट तो हमारा पेपर का
No, selling price.
cents, but we sell it for somewhere around 2 rupees a paper.
And how many units you have sold?
We did a pilot with 200 units. We are yet to go all full scale commercial into the market yet. And one of the major markets that we have identified is doctors. Doctors को सबसे ज़्यादा ज़रूरत है अपनी प्रिस्क्रिप्शंस को डिजिटाइज करने की, बट एट द सेम टाइम वो टाइप नहीं करना चाहते. उनका जो लाइफ टाइम हैबिट है लिखने का, वो उसको बरकरार रखना चाहते हैं. एंड व्हाट बेटर वे देन स्मार्ट कलम टू मेंटेन दैट हैबिट and continue writing prescriptions, but at the same time digitize it for patients.
I think that's the right market. So you have given two markets.
Yeah.
One is the educational institutes, and the other doctor is the right market for you. Probably you need to work on the pricing part of it. I think on a similar pricing, products are available. Maybe a 10, 20, 50% higher, lower.
We
But
can,
I think the product is very, very innovative. Looks interesting.
we can decrease our pricing. Right now, our making costs are somewhere in the range of 2,000 to 3,000 rupees, and at scale, we can decrease it even further. So, if we lower our margins, we can definitely bring down the cost of the product to.
So how much money you will require to fully commercialize your product?
We are looking for an investment of around 50 lakh rupees. We are open to a fair valuation, but
How much capital you have got till date?
we have not raised any capital till date. It's totally bootstrapped, and we have
What's that
put in
capital
almost.
deployed?
We have deployed more than 20 lakhs of our own money so far.
And what's your background?
We are engineers from NIT Hamirpur.
Which batch?
2024.
Oh, interesting.
Yeah.
Great. Thank you.